So I found this place and a trailer. That's the back like blown off. That's nuts. Wow. Nothing in there. It's like totally bent down. I am in the central north part of Montana. I'm by a place called Cut Bank. Little town full of little people. I forgot how the rest of the song goes. It's a Beauty and the Beast song. Growing up, I always said I wanted a Ford Pinto. Check it out. There's a Ford Pinto. And there's a bunny. Yeah, it's gone. Let's check this place out. The porch. There's a fence here. Just gonna step over that. Locked. I can see inside, so I know nobody lives here. Locked. Spider. I hate spiders. Let's check and see if this is unlocked. No, looks like somebody's punched open the door. The door just slammed on me. Let's see if we can find another way in. It's like this is just like a modular home. Oh, gosh, it scared me. Dumb bird. Oh, man. Because I just hate birds. Oh, that's locked. Not going that way. I think this may be the only way to look around inside. Pretty hammered in there. It's like everything's all covered up. Got a nice satellite dish. Unless I kick through right there, through the sheetrock. There's a door right here. Let's check it out. It's probably locked too. No, it's not. Wow. Well, the ceiling tiles have fallen. Oh my gosh. Look at that. That's an old VCR. I don't know what that is. Let's see, we'll check out this bedroom. There's a calendar here from 94. Someone's shoes. Some clothes. Bird wing. That's why I couldn't get through. Look at that. Console television. It's actually in pretty clean shape, all things considered. Interesting. Even more interesting. Yeah, nice gold veined mirror. Definitely dating yourself. Bathroom. Clothes. Some world books. Last place I was at, my son told me I should have taken the books. And that's stealing. But I will say I've seen some pretty cool books in all my lookings. And it's interesting that door just goes to a wall. Weird. Yeah, so I've seen a lot of weird books in my time. And never taken any. Nothing in the bathroom. Who carpets bathrooms anyway? Little shop room. I also don't take anything because I don't want to be responsible for anything that might possibly go wrong. I'm just here to check things out. I'm not here to do any damage. I'm just like Dora the Explorer, minus my backpack, and I don't know a lick of Spanish. Found the water heater. Alright, so there it is. House on the side of the road in Cut Bank. Let's go check out the other place. Alright. This place is anything like the last place. I'm sure everything is locked up tight. I'll watch where I walk. Actually, there isn't even a door on this side. On the other side is the main road. I don't know how crazy I feel about going out where people can see me. But there's a horse. There went a horse. Old tow truck. I don't know. I think I may just go and call it. Say we explored one old place and that's good enough for me. Pretty interesting. Kind of cool. There's that horse. Ran around the other side. Well, as always, if you like seeing exploring buildings, reviews, other stuff, make sure you subscribe to my channel. And it's a hole. And if you like it, like it. Think somebody else might like it. Good grief, there's like bugs all over my arms. This is not as fun as advertised. Make sure you share it with your friends. Cool? Cool. See you later.